What's going on? Mike B Fishing. Today is the day of a different video. We're going to do another MTB tackle box. Okay, I was supposed to go fishing today, but I did not because we had some heat warnings, heat advisories in Houston. I'm just doing a mystery tackle box unboxing. Now don't worry about it. When the followers get up, I'm gonna start doing some giveaways with these boxes, okay? And some more stuff in the future. But for now, let's grow the channel and keep supporting the channel, man. I really appreciate the views that I've been getting. I don't care if it's 1 or 2 views, it still counts. Before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. We're doing an unboxing today. Let's get this thing undressed. Pause. Said in the other video, I like to go over every detail. So they have their initial, their name right here. Let's get into this. Okay, so on every box that you get, I see some great stuff already. Y'all. So every single box that you get from them, you get a ruler. All right, catch it, measure it, share it on your page using their hashtag, so they can see what you posted about what you're catching. You know what I mean? And the ruler right here, this is what I do. This is what I would do if I don't have a ruler while fishing. I would cut this off at the base, or either you can even cut right here, thin line, fold the ruler up if you need to put it in your pocket or whatever, and take it with you and measure the fish, because, some states, they do require certain rules and regulations on keeping fish, certain sizes, some fish don't have any regulations on them. You can keep as many as you want, any size. But in a lot of cases with these bass and stuff like that, you have to, and speckled trout and flounder and all this other stuff, you have to have a minimum size to keep it and a maximum size to tag it, okay? So remember that. I'm gonna go from the top. I've never had this sticker before. This is one of a kind right here. We're gonna talk about their QR code. All right, so once you scan this QR code, it's gonna send you to their website. When you get to their website, you can either get a subscription, get boxes sent to your house every single month, or you can either just buy from that page. These are classic EWG hooks. These are 3/0 hooks, all right? Let me tell you something about these hooks. These hooks are so good. Once you get that good hook set on a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pounder, that hook set is gonna stay. Get these really good ones. Keep it pushing. This has never happened before with the MTB tackle box that I've had in many of my life. All right, many of my life. Is that even a word? Anyway, wow, these are square bills. Square bills. I'm without looking at the back, because the back tells you all about the title. All right, so these are cross. We're about to turn it around and see what it says. Oh, wow. So the pro tip on the back of this thing says, time of year, all year round, you can use these. Water conditions, you can use these as shallow, stained, or muddy. So that gives you anything, you can use it. Weather conditions that it prefers is cloudy. All right, so cloudy conditions, shallow, stained, muddy, all year round. And then you have line size. 8 to 12 pound test. Now, I would honestly do about 10 pound test line with these things, because that gives you that right ratio of casting, the smoothness of it when you cast a rod, especially on a bait caster, because it gets pretty rough sometimes, especially if you're trying to flip docks with it, which is doable. Anyway, oh wow, these are called red craws. I said craw, but it's red craws. So let me correct myself. Okay. Anyways, next. Okay. So these right here came in my first box. Luckily, I got a second set of them because I can use them how I want to now. I wouldn't put it on a spinner again like I have it right now on my other rod downstairs, but I will put it on a jig head and do as so. All right. So these are G-Rat thin swim 4-inch 1/4 ounce 5-piece. As you can see, 5-piece G-Rats. All right. These are called smoke shads. Very good baits, actually. Very good baits, especially when before a spawn, something like that, or if you go to one of these big lakes under these lights, night fishing, good baits. You throw that in there under that light and get to doing your jigging. Don't be surprised if you don't come out of there with a 10-pounder. Boy, just imagine a 10-pounder smack your jig head on the way down. And you feel like you're stuck at the bottom. Crazy feeling. Next, we have an arm lock spinner bait right here. All right, look at that. Take a picture of that if you want to buy it at the store or somewhere. All right. As a matter of fact, just go to Mystery Tackle Box and you can subscribe for a subscription and get them sent to your box every single month. Every single month. Now, I don't know about now, whether they have, you can have a box sent to your house every 2 weeks or whatever. That would be cool if they did. But I know of every single month, I believe. Every single month. Yeah. Anyways, guys, so I will be using this 7 gram, 1/4 ounce. This is a arm lock spinner bait. Like I said, color is Wakasaki. I don't even know what Wakasaki means, but it sounds good and delicious. So we'll be using this. Next. Okay, so this is something different. This is called a B8 Lab Rocket Shad. If the bass are in there, in that area where I'll be fishing at, of course they will be because that place is full of bass, like it's ridiculous, then this bait should do good. If you haven't already been to Mystery Tackle Box, go ahead and do so. I'm not even sponsored by them. I mean, I love their products. Really, really good. Like, it'll tell you right here, it's $25 value. I don't believe that because these are some top-notch baits in this box. You know what I mean? So this is probably a $40 box that you're looking at right now, you know, or near it or somewhere like that. Spinner baits run about $7 or $5, maybe $5, something like that, or up in the upper 20s, 30s, whatever. But this box is beautiful. Great craftsmanship. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. Let me know how I did with the Mystery Tackle Box because that box means a lot to me. If you have $25, right? You go to the store, get your baits or whatever, go fishing, you lose some baits. Now you're back at the store with another $25. And that $25 may get you 3 things at the store because there's so many baits at the store that you're gonna want to get. Versus getting a Mystery Tackle Box, subscribing with their subscriptions, you know what I mean? And you're getting surprised at home with multiple baits, and you got some hooks in there for sure. You can look forward to some hooks in their box. Every box. Every box I've had hooks in every box. Only thing I'm waiting on is weights now. That tells you a lot about Mystery Tackle Box. With $25, I will get a subscription, and that pays for like 2 months. $25, and you get 2 boxes worth over $50-something. That's crazy. Who wouldn't want to do that? Anyways, guys, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, man. Like this video, share this video, comment under this video what you want me to post in the future. I mean, like tomorrow, the next day, or the next day. Okay, because I'm going fishing. This heat advisory thing, it can't run away for long. I got to get on the water because today I was going to do something crazy on the water, which I can't tell you guys right now because I got to save that for possibly tomorrow's video, which won't be posted until the day after that. So I got some work to do. Okay? Love you guys so much. Mike be fishing. Y'all don't stop fishing because I'm sure hell not. Peace.